Biscotti con frutta di stagione. This is what we will be preparing today. Berry cookies, delicious. Ciao everybody, Katerina here. Welcome to my home. Tomorrow we are headed off to our dear friend Nadia for brunch. And I asked her, what would you like me to bring? And all she said to me was strawberry. And I said, great. I will be preparing strawberry cobbler and biscotti con frutta di stagione. Delicious. Now let's get started. This recipe, biscotti con frutta di stagione, comes together very quickly. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You will need your stand mixer with a paddle, half a cup of granulated sugar, and the zest of 1 lemon. Give this a really good beating, perhaps 3-4 minutes. We want the essence of the lemon to infuse with the sugar. Sugar has broken down, the fragrance is incredible. Time for 1 large egg. Now that the mixture is pale yellow, stream in half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Okay. Everything has combined beautifully so far. Time to add half a cup of plain yogurt plus 2 tablespoons. We're going to allow this to mix for a good 3 to 4 minutes. For the dry ingredients, you will need 2 cups of sifted 00 flour. Now, very important for this recipe that you sift your flour before measuring it up. To the flour, 2½ teaspoons of baking powder. Swell. Time to fold in the dry to the wet. You don't want to overmix, so be very delicate. Just keep going until you're all done. Slowly but surely it will come together. By not overmixing, you're assured that these beautiful cookies are going to come out very soft and pillowy. For this cookie recipe, I prefer frozen berries, and this time of year they're absolutely beautiful. 1 cup. Gently fold them in. You see, they don't get all squishy because they're nice and frozen. 1/4 cup scooper. Let's just start scooping up our cookies. That's it, and just leave it alone. Approximately 2 inches apart. Before placing these beautiful cookies in the oven, a couple of layers of icing sugar. This is going to make that beautiful crackling appearance on the top. Bake in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. When you see it golden brown, you know they're ready. My biscotti con frutta di stagione baked off beautifully. And I'm going to say it, if you could only smell my kitchen. I'm going to allow them to cool for 20 minutes, and then I'm going to taste one for you. I prepared 3 batches for Nadia because this beautiful breakfast cookie is always the first to go. I also made a batch of this beautiful cookie for my sweet papa. So pillowy and soft, perfect. Such a beautiful looking cookie. Got a burst of berries in that bite. Delicious. It's a cross between a cookie and a pastry. Delicious.
How do you think I made it just for you? Delicious, Mom? You like that? And they're like little cakes, little pupassi. Mommy would love how much you can get inside, right, Mom?
But thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you will try this fabulous cookie. You'll make it again and again. And it's Katerina from my home to yours. Hit your like button. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Have a wonderful summer, everybody.